Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of September, 2024, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.89. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.12% since we first identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate just 7 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.87% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and descending trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $297.74 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could represent the first sign of a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 30.91% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 66.09% to negative 29.83%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 38.73% over the next year, with a potential return between 10.88% and 98.45%. This translates to a price range of $325.03 to $581.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for CrowdStrike Stock Price After Monday Trading. On the most recent trading day, which was Monday, September 23, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a decline of 2.24%, dropping from $299.85 to $293.14. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.28%, reaching a low of $292.57 and a high of $302.16. Notably, the stock has risen on 8 of the last 10 days and has appreciated by 18.88% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can actually be interpreted as a positive sign, as volume typically should align with price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.6 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $398.30 and its lowest price of $157.67. Currently, the price sits 26.40%, or $105.16, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike Holdings Inc. is currently navigating significant legal challenges, as recent reports indicate multiple class action lawsuits against the cybersecurity firm. Investors have been encouraged to connect with various law firms as they allege violations of securities laws related to a flawed Falcon sensor update. Concerns have emerged following reports from employees about excessive workloads and hurried development processes, which resulted in critical software failures that disrupted major services, including those of airlines and banks. These ongoing lawsuits could exert downward pressure on CrowdStrike's stock price, especially in the short term, as uncertainty tends to lead investors to reassess their positions. Should the lawsuits succeed, they might result in substantial financial liabilities, further undermining investor confidence and affecting market perception. In the long term, the resolution of these lawsuits could significantly impact CrowdStrike's operational strategies and its reputation within the cybersecurity sector. If the firm effectively addresses the underlying issues that led to these legal challenges, it may stabilize investor sentiment and potentially restore confidence. However, if the legal challenges persist or worsen, CrowdStrike could encounter considerable obstacles, adversely affecting its market position and long-term growth prospects. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned CRWD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital rated CRWD as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, Cowen & Company rated CRWD as buy with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, Goldman Sachs also rated CRWD as buy with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, Scotiabank rated CRWD as sector perform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, we can expect some support at levels around $276.16 and $259.83. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 34.54%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 36 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has signaled a buy from 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, however, shows a sell signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal from 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $268.88 and $263.91. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break could cause the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, CrowdStrike finds support just below today's level at $268.88. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $263.91 and $233.65. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with adequate trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $9.59 between its high and low, or 3.28%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 83 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $299.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $268.88. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of September, 2024, Watzinger Gerhard made an insider purchase of 88 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Davis Carey bought 44 shares of Class A common stock. Also on that day, Olieri Dinas acquired 40 shares of Class A common stock. Flower Johanna conducted an insider purchase of 33 shares of Class A common stock on the same date. Finally, on the 20th of September, 2024, Schumacher Laura J. bought 38 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.415. In total, insiders purchased 313,490 shares, while selling 526,750 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $282.35, representing a decline of 3.68%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 58 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Even though the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe this may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our evaluation has been updated from a hold or accumulate position to a buy recommendation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open up with an increase of $2.82, starting the trading session at $295.96. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.